traders? FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 18th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis from this morning on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold is pushing down. I was originally thinking this move up right here was like a wave B because it is definitely 3 waves. But with this lower high that we just made right here, it probably is more likely that this is a wave A, this is a wave B. I still think there's a very good chance this move down is probably going to be a wave C. I'm watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely. If you are a very short time frame scalper, then you definitely should be looking for shorts anyways, ever since we got a break of structure to the downside. I'm not a scalper, I'm more of a swing/day trader, so I am patiently waiting to see if it does make a bounce out of a fib level. If it does make a bounce off a fib level, nice engulfing move to the upside, I am definitely going to continue to look for longs every chance I get. 3 waves down and pulsive up at a Fibonacci level is exactly what I'm looking for more entries to the upside. If it does go down and break this major structure right here, that definitely will turn me into a seller, but until that happens, I'm definitely still waiting to see if it bounces off a fib level for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.